Good afternoon, class. Today's topic is the GSP. What is GSP? GSP is the Java server page, means is a server side technology that create the dynamic web application. GSP is a server side technology that create a dynamic web application, जो क्रिएट करती है डायनेमिक वेब एप्लीकेशन को. इट अलाउ द डेवलपर टू एम्बेड द जावा कोड डायरेक्टली इनटू HTML पेज. ये अलाउ करती है डेवलपर को एम्बेडेड करने के लिए जावा कोड डायरेक्टली इनटू HTML पेज एंड इट्स मेक द वेब डेवलपमेंट मोर एफिशिएंट. ये वेब ऐप डेवलपमेंट को मोर एफिशिएंट बनाती है. GSP इज़ एन एडवांस वर्जन ऑफ सर्वलेट. GSP एक एडवांस वर्जन है सर्वलेट का. It provides the enhanced capabilities for building scalable and platform independent web page. ये enhance करती है capabilities building करने के लिए scalable and platform independent web page को. First, it is platform independent. We can write once and run anywhere. Means ये platform independent है जो कि एक बार write करते हैं और run कर सकते हैं कहीं भी. It simplifies the database interaction for dynamic content. Third, it contains the predefined objects like request, response, session and application, reducing development times. It has the built-in mechanism for the exception and error management. ये करता है built-in mechanism exception और error management के लिए. GSP architecture. GSP follows a 3-layer architecture. GSP follow करता है 3-layer architectures को. First is the client layer. The browser send a request to the server. यहाँ पे browser send करेगा request server को. Web server layer. The server process the request using a GSP engine. Server process करता है request को using a GSP engine. Database backend layer interact with the database and return the response to the client. Interact करेंगे database के साथ और return करेंगे response to the client. GSP element. We will learn the several elements available in GSP with suitable example. In GSP element they can be divided into 4 data type, 4 different types. First is the expression. Expression tag is used to output any data on the generated page. Expression tag को हम use करते हैं output के लिए any data on generated page. These data are automatically converted to a string and printed the output stream. ये data automatically convert होगा string में और print करेगा output streams को. Scriptlet tag is used to write Java code inside GSP. ये यूज़ होगा राइट करने के लिए जावा कोड inside GSP. The code is placed inside the GSP service. Code is inside place the GSP service method. Variable available to the GSP servlet are request response out, session out, request response session out. Directive and GSP directive start with the characters. In directives we can import pages, define the error handling page for or configure session information for the GSP page. Type of directive page. It defines the page setting. It includes other files. Taglib. It declare a custom tag library. Declaration is used for the defining function and variable to be used in the GSP. Step to create a GSP applications. First, install JDK 8 or above. Second, install Eclipse IDE or any IDE with web support. Third, download and configure the Apache Tomcat server in Eclipse. Difference between the GSP and servlet. GSP require the less code. Servlet require the more code. GSP is simple to use. Servlet is more complex to use. GSP embedded in HTML. Servlet require the HTML generation in code. Page maintenance easier to maintain, more challenging in servlet. Means we start with the one by one difference. JSP require the less code, servlet require the more code. JSP is simple to use, servlet is more complex to use. Easily embedded in HTML is JSP, and servlet require the HTML generation in code. Page maintenance is easier to maintain in JSP, servlet is the more challenging.